Okay, guys, I always say how easy the Morse code is, but, sometimes it's not that easy for everybody, and you really have to want it, and you really have to practice to actually be able to get it, to be able to, achieve understanding, being able to send, and being able to receive. So now what we're gonna do in this lesson is we're going to mix short sounds with long sounds, okay? We're going to do the numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9. And as you can see, the difference between the first two videos, we had short sound, long sound. Now we start combining long and short together to actually make numbers and letters. So I don't want to lie to you and say it gets easier. It doesn't. You have to practice, and you have to, even if you do a little bit every once in a while, you're going to learn. It takes a while, The Morse code is not for everybody. There's a lot of people I know that tried it, and it wasn't for them. And there's a lot of people I know that tried it and, got full-blown interested in it, and they love it. They love communicating through it, through Morse code, through CW. So anyway, the number 6 is da, dit, 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 dit. It's one long sound, okay? So each sound is 5 sounds, right? Each number is 5 sounds. That's why I'm counting on my finger here. Da, dit, 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 dit. Number 6. Number 6. The number 7. Da, da, dit, dit, dit. 2 long sounds, 3 short sounds. The number 7. It's not that hard. Once you keep hearing a sound over and over, it becomes familiar to you. 2 short sounds, 2 long sounds and 3 short sounds. I'm really going to confuse you. Listening to me is really going to confuse you even more, which means you got to work your brain even a little harder. So 2 short sounds for the number 7, 2 long sounds and 3 short sounds. I'm not really a teacher here, but I'm trying the best I can. Okay, number 8. 3 long sounds, 2 short sounds. Da, 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 dit, dit. Number 8. Number 9. 4 long sounds, 1 short sound. I'm doing these videos back to back. That's why I'm confusing myself like I usually do. So I'm doing one after another, but in short segments here. Okay, so number 9, 4 long sounds and 1 short sound. Okay, so that's da, 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 dit. Okay, there you have it. 6, 7, 8, and 9. And over several videos, I'm going to try different radios. Like I said, the next one I may use the 7300 and the side tone oscillator with a bencher paddle. This way you get a little understanding of how the paddle works. Sometimes with the paddles, what I do is I reverse them, because when you hold the paddle to the right, it will make dits or das. When you hold it to the left, it'll make das or dits. It depends on how you wire it underneath. So what I like to do, just for practice, I like to have 2 paddles where it's wired differently. So to the right are dits, to the left are das, to the left are das, to the right are dits. And get both my right and left hand both used to both those paddles. You know, it takes a little practice to get used to doing that, but you know, everything's doable, and it's a lot of fun. Just keep in mind when you're going into this to make it fun, and you'll learn faster. You know, once you have a once you set your mind to learning this stuff, and have fun with the hobby. I mean, amateur radio is an awesome hobby. CW is awesome. It's fun. It really is. And once you start picking up and learning it, you're going to get more joy out of it. Believe me, trust me.